In this demo, I'm going to be describing how to set up and get started with the Smartest Solutions EPRS 30,000 foot level app. So if we come into a Google browser here, and then this would also work on Microsoft Edge too, but I'm going to use Google here. So I'm coming up to the search bar here, and I'm going to type Smartest Solutions, and then I'm going to put a slash. So then this is going to be free app. Okay, as it shows there. Okay, then I'm going to hit enter. So this is what you'll see, a page that looks like this. Then if you click right on this section here, and you can scroll on down, and you say register today. Now I'm already registered, but if you're first time around, you'd register today here. So I'm going to log in here. So after you register, then you would log in like this. Okay, then after you do this, put your username and your password. Okay, so it's going to remember you here. So then we're going to go in, if you want, and you hit login. Okay, this is what you'll see then, and then you hit the EPRS Metrics Tool app. You should see a screen that would look like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, and there should be no gray area there on the right hand side. It should be white. If it's gray, that's probably indicating you got a problem. So I'm going to click on example data sets here. These are from two books that I have, Management 2.0, Leadership System 2.0. I'm going to click on expense. Okay, and then it's going to create an Excel spreadsheet for that figure in the book, Management 2.0. So it's loading right now. Okay, now this is what you'll see is a spreadsheet here, and you'll see month and expense as you're going down this. Okay, so what I'm going to just do is to minimize that. Okay, then the next thing you want to know, what's going to happen is we saw that spreadsheet, but it's also going to download that particular spreadsheet to your download files. So I'm going to back out of this. Okay, now what should appear here, and this should be white over on the right hand side. I'm going to click on browse here next. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my download files here. Okay, and then you see that right here. So that's that expense spreadsheet that we just created in our download files from my example data sets. Okay, so this is already loaded. Now what's really important is that you see, if you scroll on down, the upper left hand corner of that spreadsheet right here, that's very important. If this appears as grayed out, you got a problem. So you need to resolve that problem. But let me show you what it looked like if I went in and just highlighted expense here and did a Control C, and then I did a Control V over here. Okay, you'll see this we call 30,000 foot level report, and it's going to have an estimated value down here. Then we can go in and do other things like add a title and so on. But that's pretty much all it takes is to get things going here. But you guys can't have any grayed out area or anything like that for that to work. You have to have that Excel spreadsheet appear in the upper left-hand corner of the spreadsheet.